Okay, what is your name?
My name is Fatimah, ma'am.
How old are you?
I'm 26 years old.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm married.
Okay. Do you have any children?
I have one son. He is 4 years old.
What is your working experience?
My work experience before I worked in Singapore for 2 years and 3 months
Okay. Why you didn't continue?
because I miss my family and I want to meet them.
Okay. Okay, last time in Singapore, what did you do?
I do housework,
Okay.
cooking,
Mm-hmm.
ironing, wash car, and other take care of the children.
Take care of the children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in Singapore, what type of house did you work in? Type of house? 3 rooms, 4 rooms?
Oh, condominium, 4 bedroom,
Four.
4 toilet.
Oh, 4 bedroom. Okay.
Yes.
Mm. Okay, last time you work, you got handphone?
Yes, I have, ma'am.
Okay, if now no handphone, can you work without handphone?
Can, ma'am.
Can. Okay, no off day?
No off day. Yes, can, ma'am.
Okay, last time you work got off day or not?
No off day, but have handphone.
Okay. I Do you have permission working here in Singapore from husband?
Yes, I have, ma'am.
Okay. So who is going to take care of your son when you come again to Singapore?
My mother, ma'am.
Your mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Your mother still healthy?
Yes, still healthy.
Okay. Okay, can. Thank you, Fatima.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye.